Hello and welcome to this How to Start Affiliate Marketing for Beginners training series. First, if you're new to the channel, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and so you can get updates as I put new training videos out. And what we're going to talk about in this video is kind of the overview of affiliate marketing, especially if you're a beginner. Now, this training series is going to cover several things, so let's go ahead and pull that up. We're going to cover today just the overview of what affiliate marketing is and how we are going to set up an affiliate sales funnel, which can be a very simple yet powerful and effective method to make affiliate sales. And so today we're just going to give you the big picture view so you can understand where we're going. And then in the following videos, we're going to talk about how to choose a niche. So a niche is a area that you want to focus on, and that could be a very general niche like health and fitness, or it could be more specific such as weight loss, or even more specific like the keto diet. So you want to be able to choose a niche. We're going to talk about how to do that, and then you want to focus on we're going to talk about how to find an offer to promote for your niche. Okay. Next, we're going to get into how to create an email opt-in page. It is super important that you begin collecting people's emails from the very beginning. Creating an email list and building an email list is a really, really valuable asset to have in your online business, because that is a built-in traffic source that you can continue to market to going forward. And I'm going to show you 4 different ways. There's not just one way to create an email opt-in page. I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can create that opt-in page. And then we're going to get into how to create the affiliate sales funnel. I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how you can do that. So you have some options again. And some of these, with any business, there is going to be some cost. And so I'm going to show you options that are either free or low cost. And then there's going to be some options that are higher cost. And obviously you do what you're able to afford with where you're at. But we're trying to run a real business, okay? This is not a hobby, and we're trying to make money. And in doing so, you are going to have to invest a little in the business in order to create the systems that you need to create to have success, okay? The biggest mistake I see people make when they start online is they're very, very hesitant to use the proper tools to create their online business. And so if you're not willing to have the proper tools, if you're trying to cut corners, it just makes it so much harder. So I will talk about different options, and you choose what is best for you at that time. I definitely don't want you to spend any money you can't afford, not to have, or not to use. So obviously be very careful there, but you are going to need to spend some money to run an online business. Just if you were to try to open a bricks and mortar store or business, or a service business, maybe you would decide you want to get into plumbing and be a plumber. Well, you're going to have to invest in that business and tools and marketing and trucks. And so there's a cost with doing business. The great thing about affiliate marketing and doing business online is that it is really minimal cost comparatively. Again, if we go to that plumbing example, if you're trying to getting a plumbing business off the ground, either you have to buy someone's existing plumbing business, you definitely need trucks, you need all kinds of specialized tools, you need some marketing, some business cards, you need a website. There's a lot of expense. You can really run an online business relatively inexpensively compared to a brick and mortar business or a service business like that. Okay, so let's just get that out of the way. Come into this with the right mindset in that sense. Then we're going to talk about how to create follow-up email series, because email marketing is super important. And don't worry if you're not very good at writing, or you're not creative, you're not sure how to write emails. I'm going to show you how to get emails that you can use so that you don't necessarily have to write. And then lastly, we're going to cover how to get traffic. And we're going to cover free and paid traffic. Okay, so we'll go over that at the very end. Let me hop over here and show you this layout I made up for you. And this is a affiliate marketing funnel and an example. And when we talk about a funnel, basically what we're doing is talking about a process of how to guide people through certain steps with the intent of trying to help them make a purchase. Okay, you see this really all the time when you go out and purchase things. They are taking you through a funnel. Let's say, for example, you need a new mattress. Well, you might see an ad on Facebook, an ad on TV, an ad in the newspaper that says, hey, we're having a mattress sale. And so you decide to go to the store where they're having the mattress sale. Well, that ad that you saw was the first step into that sales funnel. Okay. And then the next step was you going to the store. And then the next step in that funnel was, they showed you all these different mattresses, the different styles and the pros and the cons. And then maybe the next step in the funnel would be they would show you, what we call some upsells, where maybe you need this special pillow to go with this mattress, or maybe you need the adjustable, foundation so you can elevate your head or your feet when you're in your new mattress. And so, but these are all, again, just steps of the funnel. Or, everyone's probably been to McDonald's. You go to McDonald's, you see the ad, you drive by, you see the sign, you're hungry. You go through the drive-through, or you go in and order, and you say, I want the Big Mac meal, and they say, hey, do you want a shake with that? Do you want an apple pie with that? So there's your upsell. So this is happening all around you. You'll start to see it more as you realize. But what we're going to be talking about in this video is an affiliate marketing funnel or sales funnel. And there's lots of different ways to create funnels. And so I'm just going to show you a very basic, a very simple funnel that we are going to be creating in the next series of videos in this training. And so basically a funnel starts with traffic. And I have on here some free traffic examples that you get from online social media, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. There's obviously lots of others that you could use as well. Quora, Reddit. These are all free traffic sources, okay? And we'll go into those more in depth when we get into the traffic part of it. But you need traffic or people to enter your funnel. And so this traffic or people, they're going to enter your funnel you're going to send them to an email opt-in page, okay? So let me now this is kind of, part of the bread and butter is this email opt-in page. This is a page, you've probably seen these before, where, it has maybe a video, an image, or just a real simple headline. And what you're going to do is enter your email into the email opt-in page in exchange for something free. Maybe some training, maybe access to a video, an ebook, a PDF report, to a membership site. But you're getting something in exchange for that email. And so we're going to talk about how to create that email opt-in page, 4 different ways that you can do that. And it's, again, very, very important that you collect the email here, okay? So I can't stress that enough. You want to build that email list. Now, in order to collect emails, you need to be able to have that email stored somewhere. You're going to do that through an email autoresponder. We'll talk more about those in future videos. So after you get your people into your opt-in or to your email opt-in page, now some people also maybe know this as they've heard this called a squeeze page. They've heard it called a landing page. For this video training, we're going to call it an email opt-in page. Okay, and so that is super important. That is a really, really big part because that is going to kickstart the rest of this funnel. Now, after people give their email on the opt-in page, then, now this is optional, but you can show them what we call an upsell offer, okay? And so the upsell offer, would be, hey, do you want to shake with that burger and fries, right? So because after someone's given their email, they're kind of in a position, or they're in a mood of saying yes, okay? They've said yes by giving you their email opt-in page. And so this is where you could A lot of times this is called a tripwire offer because it's a lower cost offer. This might be something that's just $1, $3, $5, $7, certainly less than $10. Something where people might say, "Oh, that's kind of cool. I want to get that. It's only $5, no big deal." And so this is a great way to help segment out, because some people, they're going to go onto your email opt-in page and they just want the access to the free report or video that they're getting in exchange for giving their email. And they're not really going to want to buy anything. And so the people that do end up making a purchase, those are great. Even if they're buying something for $1 or $3 or $5, that is super important, because those people have shown they're willing to pull out their credit card or use their PayPal and make a purchase. And so it's optional to have an upsell offer here, but you definitely do want to take people to some kind of affiliate product offer. And the reason I have that over here is because now you could find a lower affiliate product offer as far as pricing, and have a product here that is in place of the upsell, and that's why I say this is optional. Because the upsell, again, really should be a low cost, less than $10, to help people that have said yes, they gave their email, to take advantage of this. And then the affiliate product offer tends to be something that's higher in price. This might be $20 or $30 or $40 or $50 even. Okay, you don't want to go too crazy here, but certainly higher in price. Sometimes it's hard for people to jump from giving their email straight to a $40 offer. Okay, but if you have this tripwire offer, a low-cost offer of say $7, then when they come over here and there's something for $40, they've already spent $7. Okay, and so they may be, again, more willing, especially if they see the value in it, to spend more. But you don't really want to take them straight here. I would not encourage that. To a $40 offer. Now, again, if this is a low cost, say a $7 offer that you have for the affiliate, then that's fine. Okay? So that's where you could potentially make some sales, either through your tripwire upsell offer or the affiliate product offer, and start earning some money. Okay? So let's get rid of that. Now, when someone gives their email on the email opt-in page, they're going to be automatically added to your email autoresponder. And we're going to show you how to set up an email autoresponder series that will automatically, this is automated, start sending out follow-up email messages to the people that opted in on the opt-in page. And this is super important because they're going to automatically get sent email number 1. And then, you can set up a time period, maybe wait a day or two, and get email number 2. Wait a day or two, email number 3. Wait a day or two, email number 4. And you can just keep adding unlimited follow-up messages. I mean, you can literally have dozens, if not hundreds, of automated follow-up messages going out. And all along, all these messages give you the opportunity to make sales, okay? Because you're going to be promoting things. And we'll talk about this more when we talk about adding the email messages. You can provide some humor and some storytelling in these emails to help build rapport with your audience, your subscribers. But you can also promote, okay? And there's nothing wrong with promoting offers, okay? And so this is a very simple but really very effective and powerful affiliate marketing sales funnel. And so quickly, again, we're going to get traffic. Now, there's so much free traffic out there. I think it's a great source. But we're going to get some kind of traffic, and again, just traffic our people, and we want to send them to the email opt-in page, so we collect their email, and then either do a low-cost tripwire offer that leads to a higher cost affiliate offer, so you could make some money when people are in a mood, they're already in the mood, and open to looking at offers from you because they like what they got, and so they're open to maybe making a purchase right away. But then you're going to have this automated email series going out every day or two where they're going to be getting emails from you. And I'm going to show you you can write those emails yourself if you'd like, but I'm also going to show you how you can get emails to use, and especially that are engaging, that teach something, that are entertaining, and you can promote as well. And so you can have the opportunity to make money from these automated emails that are going out. And then the other thing we'll talk about when we get down to the emails, so these are automated emails that are going out. You can also send out what are called broadcast emails, because maybe there's something special that you want to promote to your email list, to your subscribers, and so you send out what's called a broadcast or one-time email, and it doesn't replace any of the automated messages. It's in addition to those automated messages. Okay, and so that is our overview of the affiliate marketing funnel. Again, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and keep watching, because now that we're done with our overview, in the next video we're going to talk about how to choose a niche that you want to be involved in, and then how to find offers for that niche to promote. Okay, so I'll see you in that next video, and thanks so much for watching along as we talk about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners.